morning, everyone. How are you this morning? I hope you are well. And if you ask me, I'm fine too. Thank you. And I hope you are stay safe at home and you don't go anywhere. This is my 13 days of staying at home or shelter in place. So I don't go anywhere too, and I hope you stay at home too. Stay at home, learn at home, stay at home, play at home, and yeah, that's the what's it, the safe way in this critical period. Okay, it's too dangerous for us to go outside and to play outside. Well, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about fraction. Wow, fractions. If you heard about fractions, you may think, oh, is this math lesson? And I may say, no, this is not math lesson. This is English lesson. So in English, also we learn about math of fraction. You may open the Supermind student book, page 102. There are fraction topics. So have you opened the book to the Superman book to page 102? Okay, here there are matter of fractions at the book, but first of all, we would like to have a brief review about fractions, since actually I do believe that all of you have already know and have already learned about this fraction in math lesson. But now I'm going to have a review about fraction a bit, and hope we can enlighten ourselves to this material. So fraction, what is fractions? Okay, look at this picture. Here is the whole square. The first picture is the whole square. Okay, and there are everyday objects which are whole. For example, we can have a whole bar of chocolate. This one whole bar of chocolate that consists of several parts of chocolate. So a fraction is an equal part of a whole object. So again, a fraction is an equal part of a whole object. Here is the equal part. It is equal, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction is an equal part of a whole object. Okay, these are the examples of everyday objects. Um, Now, the first one, we would like to have a term, half fractions. What is half fractions? Okay, when an object is evenly divided into two, this object, one object, is divided into two, is cut into two parts, and each part is called a half. So this one, each part, one part is called a half, and the other part is also the half. So half, if we all join together with another part to become one whole object. Two parts make the whole object. So here, a half plus a half equal to 2. And these also example of everyday object which can be half equally, or which can be divided into the same amount. Okay. The next term is quarter fraction. When an object is evenly divided into four, it becomes a quarter. So one object divided into four, from one and then divided into four. So each part is called one quarter or a quarter. Yeah. Let's see the examples. There are four parts here. Okay, assume that each part is a quarter. Okay, here blue, red, yellow, and green. If we all join it together, it becomes one whole object here. Okay, so one part is blue, one part is red, another part is yellow, and the other part is green. So if we all join it together from each quarter, it becomes one whole object. Here are more example of a quarter fractions. Okay, these colors, if we join it together, it becomes one object. Okay, here of the name of fractions. Okay, we can see the first column. There is wholes divided into equal parts. This one is the whole divided into equal parts. So each part is marked with the shaded. Okay, and the second column, number of shaded part. Shaded mean the colored part, and the third column is number of equal parts in the whole. So here is the total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, and fraction shaded. And the last column is name of fractions. So let's see here the first the first picture. Okay, so number of shaded part or number of colored part is 1, right? 1, only 1 here. And number of equal parts in the whole is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction shaded 1/4 or 1/4. So the name of fraction is 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, let's see the picture number 2. Okay, number of shaded parts 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And number of equal parts of the whole is the total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 number of equal parts in the whole. So the fraction shaded is third over 8 or 3/8. The name of fraction is 3/8. And picture number 3 is number of shaded parts 3, or number of shaded parts is 1. Here there are there is one shaded part or color part, and number of equal parts in the whole is 3. 1, 2, 3. The fraction shaded is 1/3. Okay, 1/3, 1/3. Okay, and number 4, here number of shaded parts is 2, 1, 2, and number of equal parts in the whole is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fraction shaded is 2/4, or we also can simplify it become 1/2 here, 1/2. Okay, let's see another examples of the name of fractions here. Fraction circle 3/5 or 3/5. Here 3 is the shaded part. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3, and the whole part there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction number is 3/5. Okay, and here the second picture is there are 7 shaded part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there are 8 parts as a whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the fraction number name is 7/8. Okay, everyone, now let's see from the book. Here we have Supermind student book page 102. Read the ticket and choose the correct answer. Here, New York Museum of History, from Tuesday until Sunday at 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. For adults, €12, and children pay half price. So how much do adults pay? Here is already clearly stated. The answer is 12. Okay, see, €12. And what fraction do children pay? Children pay half price. So half indicates 1/2. So this one is half. So read the sentence and write the fractions here. Here, look at the picture. There are 4 pictures. Look at picture 1. If we tear the ticket, if we tear the ticket into 2 pieces, here 1 becomes 2. We have 2 halves. Yes, of course, we have 2 halves. Okay, 2/2 or 2 halves. Okay, 1/2 plus 1/2 become 1 whole object. Yeah. So this is also the same. Part 3. Okay, example picture 1. If we tear the ticket into 9 pieces, we have 9 nins. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are nins. Okay, for the whole is 9. So 9/9 or 9 nins. Let's look at the Supermind workbook. We have this one as the exercise. You can see here 3/4, yeah, 3 shaded part, 1 2 3, and over how many parts? 1 2 3 4, over 4 or 3/4. So in English we may say 3/4. Okay, so part B here, picture number B, we can count the shaded part 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5, and we can count the denominator, um, the whole part here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 5/8 or 5/8. This one 5/8, this one. Okay, so let's get back to our presentation. We have questions that I took from the workbook. The question is here. This one is actually from page 103. Kate has got 24 old ramen coins. She gives her friend Rick a third of her 24 coins. Rick gives half of his coins to his sister Barbara. Barbara gives half of her coins to her friend Kelly. How many coins has each of them got in the end? So here, this already example, Kate, she got 16, but how we count it? Let's see here. Okay, for the Kate, she has got 24 old Roman coin. She gives her friend Rick a third. Yeah, a third of 24 is 8, so she gives 8 coins to Rick. Okay, so Kate got 24 minus 8 is 16. Yeah. And what about Rick? Rick, uh, at the beginning, here Kate gives 8 coins to Rick, but Rick gives half of his coin to his sister Barbara. Here, we may see Rick, he gives a half of his coin. So the total at beginning is 8, and he gave a half. So a half of 8 is 4. And what about Barbara? Barbara here gives half of her coin to her friend Kelly. Okay. Barbara has 4 coins initially, but she gave to Kelly a half, so it becomes 2. And the rest is Kelly. Kelly got 2. And here the total coin is 16 plus 4 plus 2. Oh, it's supposed to be plus. Sorry. It's supposed to be plus. Not equal. Plus 2 is 24. So the total coin is 24. Okay, that's it for the material of fraction for today's lesson. And I hope you understand. If you don't understand it, or if you have any questions about fraction material, you may ask me personally, or you may give the question in the WhatsApp chat group, so we can discuss together in the groups. The last but not least is thank you very much for listening so attentively. All right, and I hope you are enjoying studying at home. And please remember, be safe and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.